Hello guys, my name is Terabyte. Welcome to this short series of Let's Hack in 10 minutes. Straight to the point. Today we're going to be doing Linux terminal navigation and some useful shortcuts. So I will start by creating a new folder on the desktop. If you are following through, you can name the folder whatever you would like to name it. And then I'll open the folder. I'll create another folder inside. So of course this is for illustration purposes. As we go on, you get to understand why we're actually creating this folder. And yeah, so inside the folder we're going to create a document. You can create anything you would like. So open the document and then you can just type anything random on the document. Of course it's hello world. So I'm going to save the document. So for easy explanation, I'm going to save it as a text file, and then I'll rename it and I'll save it as secrets. Yeah, and save. Oh, by the way, the shortcut for saving a file is Ctrl S. So just press Ctrl S and it will automatically save for you. I'm gonna close this. We don't need this, it's blank. Then I'm going to close this. Now that we have our folder all set up, the next step that we're going to do is fire up our terminal. Open our terminal, and then the first command that we're going to do is ls. ls is basically listing directories or files. So we type ls, it's going to show us what we have in that directory, the files that we have. For example, right now we are on the desktop directory. So on the desktop is saying there is hello and new folder. So there is hello and new folder. So now we would like to check the folder called hello. What is actually in the folder called hello? We use a command called cd. cd means change directory. So we type hello, that's where we want to go, and then we are now in hello. As you can see here is desktop hello. So now we list what is inside to see what is inside. So there is a folder called hi. So another very useful tool that we're going to touch on is combining commands on Linux. So let's do a combination of commands using these same two commands that we've learned. So we're going to do cd hi, so because we want to see what is in the directory called hi, and then the command for actually combining two commands is and then what we want to do also is ls. So right now you're basically telling the computer to say, after you change directory to hi, I would like you to also list what is in hi. So we're going to do that, and it's saying we've got a file called secret.txt. So now that we have this file, the question is, how do we open this file? How do we get to view what is in this file? The simplest way to do that in Linux is using a command called cat, C-A-T. So you type cat and then you type secret.txt. Also, you need to remember that everything in Kali Linux is case sensitive. So if the S is a capital letter S, it should be a capital letter S when you're typing it. So yeah, just like we typed, it's hello world. That is what is inside that directory. So now the next command that we're going to learn is copy. So what we want to do right now is copy a file using the terminal from one directory to the next. So the command that we use for copy is called cp. So you basically type what you want to copy and what directory it's in. You start with the directory. So right now what we want to copy is in the desktop directory, a folder called hello and another folder called hi, and the name of the file that I would like to copy is secret.txt. And where I want to copy it to is in a folder on the desktop, and the name of the folder is called hello. So after you are done with that, you just press enter. So I'll just minimize this so that we can see it in real time as I press enter. So I'll just press enter. So there it goes, it's copied. The next command that we are going to do, which is also a very useful command, is to be able to go back. If you are in a directory, right, how do you go back to the previous directory you're from? So you just type cd, which is change directory, and then put 2 full stops, and you're back. Here you are in desktop hello hi. Right now you're only in desktop and hello, so you can do ls to see what is in that directory, and you've seen we've copied the file called secret.txt. The next command we're going to do is for deleting files, folders, any type of stuff that you have. You can use the same command to delete. The command is called remove, so you just type rm and then you type what you want to remove. So this is a very powerful tool. You need to be careful when trying to delete whatever you would like to delete. You type the command and then press enter, and the file is gone. So the next command that we're going to try is one that is very useful. I found it very useful for me because sometimes I have files that I know the name but I don't know where that file is saved. So the command for finding files that you know names but you do not know where to find them, you can use two commands. One is find, one is locate. In this instance we're going to be using the locate command. So we're going to type locate and then you type the name of the file that you would like to find. So you type locate and then press enter. So it's brought us a directory to say this is where your file is. So we'll do cd change directory to that particular directory, but you have to make sure that you remove the name of the file. So what we want to also do here is to combine another command, which is the cat, to view what is inside that file. So we will do and then cat and then the name of the file inside. There you go. Hey, you have found me. That's basically what is saved into that file. The next command that we're going to do is a ping command. Ping is a command that you use to check if a website is up. You use to check if an IP is up. Before you do any attacks, before you do anything, you need to first start with ping to see if what you're trying to access is actually accessible, is actually active or online. So we'll try with the Google server, which is obviously not a crime because we're just pinging it to see if it's alive. Ping www.google.com. So it's going to bring you how long it will take to go back and forth on Google, which is a bit slow, 140 ms. So after ping, the next simple command that we are going to do is a cancel command. For example, we've got this running, but I would like to cancel this because I have seen what I wanted. So the simple command that you can use is Ctrl+C. So you just hold down Ctrl+C on your keyboard and it cancels for you. So right now we have too many things on our terminal, so we would like to actually clear the terminal out. How do you clear the terminal out? Shortcut for clearing that out is Ctrl+L, but if you would like to type it out, you just type clear and everything is gone. If you would like to go back to your previous commands that you've used, just press up on the keyboard. It will show you all the previous commands that you've done. So we just do another ping, and then when we have stuff on the terminal, just do Ctrl+C, and then to clear out the terminal, the shortcut is Ctrl+L, and everything is gone from the terminal. Another bonus command that we're going to do before we wrap up is man, a command called man. There are many a times when we have commands, somebody has told you the name of a command, you've seen some command on a terminal, on somebody's terminal, but you do not know what it actually means. You don't know what that command does. So we'll use a simple command called man, and then you type what you would like to find out about. So you type ping. For example, if I don't know what ping is, it's going to bring me the name, the full name of what ping is, the description of what ping is and what ping does, and some of how to use ping and what to do if you want to get more results with a command called ping. So that's it for the first episode of Let's Hack in 10 minutes. Hopefully I'll be able to create more content for you guys. Like, share and subscribe to keep me going. Thank you very much. Till next time.